Hello everyone, I am Anand Swarup Pathak from class 9 and 10C. I am here to deliver a topic in front of you all, and my topic is the ball poem. I am here to deliver something about the ball poem. The ball poem is composed by John Berryman. In this poem, he talked about a boy who lost his ball in pond. In this poem, he described that he has enough to borrow the boy another ball, but he didn't borrow him the ball because he believed that if he borrow him the ball, he didn't know about his responsibilities and epitome of loss, and he believes that if we help him and borrow him the ball, the boy will never understand about his responsibilities in this world of positions. People will borrow balls and balls, and balls will be lost every day. But if he lost.
Good morning, Gaurav. Myself, Patil Singh. I am standing here in the front of you for delivering a poem, Dust of Snow. In this poem, the poem was composed by Robert Frost. The poem describes about many two things: the tree and a hemlock tree. For the trees are poisonous, and the hemlock.
Yes.
The tree has a poison. The hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, and the crow have a swirl white and liquid.
Black color.
And it's black color. It stood for a.
Good morning, all of you. This is Arjun Raj from class 10C. Today, I am gonna tell you the summary of the poem Fire and Ice.
Yes.
This poem is composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the author has described about two words, fire and ice. Here, fire stands for desire, people's desire, and ice stands for
Hate.
hatred. So, according to the author, the fire is enough to destroy the earth once, but that means the desire of people is enough to destroy the earth once, but ice is only enough to destroy the world worldwide. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Sudhakar Sharma. Today I am here to deliver my summary of Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow is a poem which is composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, Robert Frost describes two things: crow and hemlock tree. Crow has unpleasant sound, and hemlock tree is a type of poisonous tree. Both things change the
Mood of the author.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sukla Raj from class 10. Today I am present here to describe the summary of the Dust of Snow, which is written by Robert Frost. It is a nature poem, and Robert Frost is a nature writer. In this poem, the author describes two negative things: the hemlock tree and the crow. But those both things role of politics. Role of politics do a political role in the author's story, author's poem. In author's poem, the hemlock tree and crow. When the author was in pensive mood, or when the author go near the hemlock tree, crow sat on the branch of hemlock tree, and the branch was stood, due to which the snow particles comes on the head of the author, and the way the snow comes on the head of the author's mind was totally changed, and he saved some part of the day.
Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Ma'am, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. I am standing here to listen you about summary of Fire and Ice. The poem Fire and Ice is authored by Robert Frost. In this poem, the author describes the two elements
two dissimilar things. First, fire, second, ice. In this poem, the author told that fire is enough the people desire, and ice is also the desire of the people. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. I am Manish from class 10C. Today I will deliver my poem, Dust of Snow. In this poem, the author In this poem, the author describes two related things, the hemlock tree and crow. The hemlock tree